Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, One to Step, and in today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to view your history in Slack. So first of all, let's get started. Let's go to our Slack. So once you enter your Slack, you can see this interface, and in the top left corner, you can see the history button. You just click on it. So here you can see all the recent channels that you have visited, and this will also help you to navigate the channels that you have visited and that you want to work on lately. So I'm just clicking on random. This way it will take me to the random channel. I'm clicking on the Project YT and it will take me to the Project YT channel likewise. I hope you guys liked today's tutorial video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Till then, peace.